Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made these cute spring press-on nails. So continue to watch if you are interested. I am going to start off by buffing my gel nail extensions here. You can use any shape you like, of course, but just make sure you buff out the shiny surface of the nails. That way the gel polish can adhere properly. I'm taking this cute baby blue color from Beetles, and I'm going to apply one thin coat, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm taking that coat, that same color again, and I'm going to apply another coat, and I'm also going to cure that for 60 seconds once I've applied 2 coats on all of the nails. I'm taking the No Wipe top coat here by Amali. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, and I'm going to apply that on all of the nails and cure for 30 to 60 seconds. And then once I do that, I'm going to grab my pearly white chrome powder here, and I'm going to apply that on all of the nails. I decided to go in with a cute bow on the thumbnail, so I'm putting some rhinestone glue on the bow itself and also a little bit on the nail itself, and then I'm going to apply the bow and then cure that for about 30 seconds. Then I felt like this was lacking something, so I decided to go in with a heart, and I put that on the middle nail. I kind of messed up my heart a little bit, but I ended up fixing it. But I drew my heart as I would. I'm just using a dotting tool for the dots and then a liner brush and drawing those. I don't know how to describe this, but you can just watch. To seal this off, I'm using the No Wipe top coat again and applying that on all of the nails and curing for 60 seconds. Here's the final look. I love it. It's so cute and simple, and it's perfect for spring. Now I'm gonna be putting these on my nails. So my nails are already prepped. Just make sure you cut your nails. I'm not cutting them for this video just because I'm actually gonna be doing my nails afterwards, but make sure your nails are short enough, that way they don't show underneath the press-ons. And I decided to use these new sticky tabs to like help with the application of the press-ons. It's my first time using them. Honestly, I don't really like them. I got them off of Amazon, so it's probably best you just use regular nail glue and then put on the press-ons. But either way, I use them just for the sake of the video, and this is what they look like with your nails. Just make sure, once again, you cut your nails underneath, but that's how they look like, and they're so cute.